Hello students, how you all are? I hope you all will be fine. And today's the new lesson is adjectives and degree of comparison. And in 7th and 8th, both the classes, the students have to study the same lesson. And in 8th class, that there is the detailed description of the same exercise, the same lesson. So here I have written the definition of adjectives. Here it is examples and the kinds of adjectives. There are 10 kinds of adjectives. Out of 6 it has been discussed in 7th class, and in 8th class all the 10 adjectives have been discussed. So we will it will be helpful for 7th class also, and but in 7th they have to study up to here only, and 8th they have to study all. But today we will be studying about this 5-6 adjectives. So first of all, we will be studying about the degree of the definition of adjective. An adjective is a word which tells us more about a noun or pronoun, including its quality, quantity, or a position. Adjective is such a word which tells us about a noun or a pronoun. Pronoun is also a word which acts as a noun. It comes in place of a noun. So either noun or pronoun which tells us about its quality, its quantity, or its position, that word is called adjective. Suppose that we are taking two examples here, and this out of these two examples, one example is of class 7th book and one is of 8th class book. But does no need to worry, we will study. His car is new. Here his has come for the word car, and new is also a word which has come for car. What is new? Car. Whose car? His car. So both the words denote, indicate for the same example, same word, car. So both these words are acting here as an adjective. Second is, I will make some tea for you. Some tea. How much tea? Some tea. Some is the word which has come for tea. That is why it will be a adjective. Now we will be studying about the kinds of adjectives. There are 10 kinds of adjectives. First is adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective, proper adjective, emphasizing adjective, participle adjective, nouns as adjective. 10 adjectives are there, but out of these 10, today we will be studying first 6 adjective, and this 6 is mentioned in both the classes. So today we will be studying these 6 type of adjective. First is adjective of quality, the words which tells about the quality of the noun. Suppose that tall, handsome, beautiful, that boy is tall, that man is handsome, the girl is beautiful. Those types of adjective are called adjective of quality. Second is adjective of quantity. Quantity is something which tells about the quantity of the noun. There is some milk in the glass. There is much water in the pond. There is a little oil in the bottle. He has. I want to take. I drink less tea. So this type of word which tells about the quantity, that is called the adjective of quantity. Third is adjective of number. The adjective of number is the word which tells about the thing, about the word, about the noun which can be counted. Few, 5, several. Suppose that if I say few students are sitting in the class, so students are countable. That is why we have used few here. So few will be adjective of number. 5. There are 5 questions to be solved. 5 is the word which has come for question. Question is a noun, and 5. So that is why it will be an adjective, and because it can be counted, that is why it will be the adjective of number. There are several issues to be solved. Several is another word which denotes that it can be counted. So that is why it will come in adjective of number. Fourth one is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives comes from the word demonstration. Demonstration means showing something. Suppose that if I want to purchase a car, and I went to the showroom, and the showroom manager shows us the cars, and he says us, sir, please take the demo of the car. Demo means demonstration, and demonstration means showing something. So, and its example are this, that, those. Suppose that if I say this pen is mine, that book belongs to my friend. Those students study in class 8th. So those words which are used to indicate something, this, that, those types of words come in a demonstrative adjective. Fifth one is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative means interrogation, again asking something. Why are you standing? So why are you standing? Suppose that if I took this sentence, why has come for whom? You. And you is a pronoun, so that is why it is an interrogative. Where are you going? How did you do this question? So this all the words come in interrogative adjective. And the sixth one is possessive adjective. Possessive means possession. Someone right. Often we see that in news it is given that government has asked the earlier chief minister to leave the possession. Possession means right, showing someone rights. His, her, their, these types of words show the possession. Here I have written here. His car is mine, new. Whose car? His car. Means his is showing the right of him, of someone. His car, not my car or not anybody else's car, but his car. Means this car belongs to him. This is showing the right, his possession. Under his possession the car is standing. So that is why these types of words, his, her, their, these types of words will come in possessive adjectives. So that's all for today, and rest of things we will be studying in the later video. PDF I will be sending you class wise, 7th class the separate PDF and 8th class the separate PDF, and you do it in your copy whichever is marked there, and if it is the homework given then you do the homework also. Thank you and have a wonderful day.